So what's up everyone? This is your Kuya James the Explorer. So in today's vlog, so nakita karon diri sa Taluntunan Falls, Barangay Manugtong, Ayungon, Negros Oriental. So ayan guys, this is Taluntunan Falls. This is the undiscovered waterfalls here in Municipality of Ayungon. So undiscovered siya guys because wala pa siya ma-promote through LGU of Ayungon. So tungod kay grabe kalayo ang Taluntunan Waterfalls from highway going here sa Taluntunan Falls, I think more than 2 hours ang imong lakaw guys. Ayan, so maabot siya 3 hours. So by the way guys, this is your Kuya James the Explorer. Please do follow my Facebook account and YouTube account, of course the one and only Kuya James the Explorer. Ayan, so thank you kaayo guys. So ayan, so grabe kapugnog tubig guys. Bugnaw pa yung tubig diri sa Taluntunan Waterfalls. Ayan, so this is not my first time to be here. Actually, this is my second time na nakarikod diri sa may Taluntunan Falls. So for those who are willing to visit here and Taluntunan Falls, please visit and let's promote our tourist local attraction in town. Ang potential kayong tourist attraction diri sa may Taluntunan Falls, Manugtong, Ayungon, Negros Oriental. So ayan guys, thank you so much. Ayan. So ayan guys, I feel so refreshing. It's because the water here in Taluntunan Falls is such an amazing, very cold water and fresh. So ayan, I am very grateful and happy to be here in Taluntunan Falls. Diri sa Taluntunan Falls, Barangay Manugtong, Ayungon, Negros Oriental. By the way guys, this is not my first time to be here. Actually, this is my second time. So this is Taluntunan Falls, Barangay Manugtong, Ayungon, Negros Oriental. So ayan guys, this is the waterfalls here in Municipality of Ayungon nga undiscovered siya guys. Undiscovered siya, it's because wala siya ma-develop by the municipality. Ayan, sa nindot kayo diri guys, it's because grabe kanindot ang tubig, grabe katinaw ang tubig diri sa Taluntunan Waterfalls. Ayan, so grabe ka crystal clear ang tubig diri, so you don't need to worry. Actually guys, bali siyang layo nga once mo ari ka diri. So grabe, I think more than 2 hours ang imong lakawon from highway going here in Taluntunan Waterfalls. Ayan, Taluntunan Falls. Ayan. Ayan guys, for those who are willing to visit here in Taluntunan Falls, Barangay Manugtong, Ayungon, Negros Oriental, just please do visit here right now. It's because this is the best experience ever. This is the most spectacular experience. So guys, please visit Taluntunan Waterfalls, Taluntunan Falls, Barangay Manugtong, Ayungon, Negros Oriental. So this is very amazing and thankful. Ayan. Alright, so guys, so humanamig pangaligo diri sa may Taluntunan Falls. So we're going home na with Team Hilan. Ayan, so nag-prepare na sila guys, silang mga dad-on kay mamauli nami. So mamauli nami guys. Ayan, so for those who are willing to visit here in Taluntunan Falls, alin na mo diri, laag na mo diri kay nindot siya atong tabangan pag-promote ang local tourist attraction in town para ma-promote nato pagbalik ang atong secret paradise, secret and undiscovered waterfalls here in Municipality of Ayungon. So by the way guys, this is your Kuya James the Explorer again. Please do follow my Facebook account and YouTube account, of course, the one and only Kuya James the Explorer. Ayan. So bye bye muna guys, and thank you for watching these vlogs.